Hello and welcome to a brand new video on AI for Product Manager series. So in this video, I'll talk about how AI is revolutionizing design by providing new tools and approaches that complement your skill set. So without further ado, let's begin. Getting started with AI-generated user flows. So tools like Figma FigJam and other similar AI-driven platforms help you quickly map out the user flows, information architecture, and other foundational elements just in few prompts. This early drafts gives you a solid starting point, allowing you to focus more on enhancing the user experience instead of starting things from scratch. It's a powerful way to, turn ideas into tangible concepts fast so that you are really going deep into the user experience and enhancing it. AI is a creative collaborator. So AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Ideogram.ai, and similar other platforms serve as a creative collaborators, bringing fresh perspectives and unexpected ideas to your brainstorming sessions. By working with these digital AI collaborators, you can explore new angles, experiment with creative options, and spark ideas that may not have emerged otherwise. So think of AI as your digital sketchpad where you can freely experiment and uncover new creative insights. Now, let me touch upon AI-generated concepts. So tools like DALL-E, Runway ML, Midjourney, and similar other platforms let you create really unique visuals, design elements, and even complete style ideas based on just simple prompts. These AI-driven concepts act as a quick source of inspiration, showing you styles, layout, and ideas that you can build upon. In minutes, you can explore a range of design possibilities and iterate much faster, making it a lot easier to bring bold and imaginative ideas to reality. Pushing design limits. So platforms like Artbreeder, Ideogram, and similar other platforms go beyond traditional rules, allowing you to blend elements, colors, forms, styles in ways that spark new ideas. So AI basically help you unlock visual combination that might have otherwise remained unexplored, enabling you to experiment with unique aesthetics and break free from traditional design boundaries. AI is a true design partner. It's more than just a tool, it's a creative collaborator, spark, and a pathway to new design possibilities. By integrating AI into your design workflow, you're not only going to be just saving time, energy, effort, but also opening doors to new design possibilities. With that, I'm going to wrap this video up. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more similar videos. Bye bye and take care.